Kazanze fava zamuterere Plus band over ni yes yeah Nakazama kuwauza abaterere Kutikaze pandoro bapaserere Ando da fight really fit here But it's on site and get it Na transfer town got it zere Run up and on the ndere But I was really stupid
I'm done. What's up guys, your boy Case, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with
Yes sir, it's your boy Alkezano.
Yes sir, so we're back with another reaction video.
You know it.
You know what it is.
So we got the boy Suhn, aka Union 5.
Yeah,
I don't know if you guys,
of course
you guys should know Union 5.
Yeah,
the
they should know Union
He changed
5.
up, he switched up his name, so yeah.
No. So you're reacting to is it
Mag what? He just released a new song and that's what we're gonna be reacting to, guys.
Yeah, on Nash TV, yeah. So in fact,
Mandem's doing big things.
Yeah,
I'll put my song by Nash TV, please.
Please. Don't sleep on Union 5 for you.
The name Suhn, bro.
Suhn. The Jada Union 5, yeah.
It is what it is, man.
Okay, so in fact, let's get straight to it. Yes, sir.
Azati ya sister kwanza chifunga oti out kana Magielas kukana chiti Magielas.
Don't sleep,
Magielas.
Guys,
Eu pangorguerenga ujifunga English.
Yeah, but it's other way around.
Kukana chiti Magielas.
Live.
Magielas.
Yeah, it makes sense. It makes sense. Okay.
Financial Magielas, Magielas. All these niggas really overzealous.
No! Hey, what? Magielas.
I win.
But me, I win. Do not sleep on his beats though. I feel like he makes his own beats. If it's not
if it's not him, it's maybe Martin or
no, it's Tippy. Tippy make the beats, go make it job.
Yeah.
Let's get the money and let's split it with the fellas. I'm a goat, no Billy, no Elish. All about your pace if I said it. So I had to slow it down so they get it. I know they gon' hate that I said it. But I'm not gonna race cause I'm finished. Financial Magielas, Magielas. All these niggas really overzealous. Get the money and let's split it with the fellas. I'm a goat, no Billy, no Elish. All about your pace if I said it. So I had to slow it down so they get it. I know they gon' hate that I said it. But I'm not gonna race cause I'm finished. Okay, and that pina langini iye. God flow wagunditi ishe. If you don't believe me, try like a step back and find out wangundirite. Rap young hoes as hard as it get. Cap wangu if you think you a threat. Rap struggle but just keep the respect. Don't else you have to with my feet on your neck. I don't do light work, I don't do easy. Get up on the beat, but it brings up a pleasing. I ain't no piece of body that I'm on freezing. Always in my A game, niggas off season. Niggas put pressure.
One ka flow switch up and ka beat switch up.
Yeah.
When I got the God flow, now they calling me Ishe.
Yeah. Don't sleep.
Come on.
Don't sleep, baby.
Come on. Man's got the balls still.
Guys, I'm trying to blow up my ZimHiphop artist. This is too much.
And
this is a hard day.
But I ain't impressed, I ain't even stressed. I don't need checks just to put them in check. I've been fucking up an accent and I'm my best. Financial Magielas, Magielas.
Wait, what?
Always in my A game, niggas off season. Niggas put pressure, but I ain't impressed, I ain't even stressed. I don't need checks just to put them in check. I've been fucking up an accent and I'm my best. Financial Magielas, Magielas. All these niggas really overzealous. Get the money and I split it with the fellas. I'm a goat, no Billy, no Ellish. All about your pace if I said it, so I had to slow it down so they get it. I know they gon' hate that I said it, but the pana can race cause I'm finished. Financial Margielas, I'm jealous. All these niggas really overzealous. Get the money and I split it with the fellas. I'm a goat, no Billy, no Ellish. All about your pace if I said it, so I had to slow it down so they get it. I know they gon' hate that I said it, but the pana can race cause I'm finished. Okay, mfeza wenzi favors I'm a jet, plus van do over the see it, nagazama kuwauza abate, kutipeza pandoroba hapa say, I know that fight really fit, but it's on site and did it, get it. No time for tongue, got to pay, zit, run up and on the read, that was really stupid.
I'm done. But you know what it reminds me of?
Yeah.
Reminds me of chalk.
Yeah, on
Mamacita.
yeah.
I mean of chalk, on Mamacita. If you didn't check that out, go check that out.
Yeah.
Shout out to chalk.
Yeah, shout out to chalk.
That's a dope rhyme scheme. And I like how he's switching from Shona to English. Waiting for the Holy Tin featuring Suhn. That's what I'm waiting for.
Yeah, Suhn and Holy Tin. Events gonna on 3 one's pro beats. Damn, events gonna easy.
Bro, ZimHiphop is safe.
It's safe. Safe.
Put her down, yeah, bitch. I rep the place that I'm from. Feel like the ace in the deck. The game ain't the same if I'm gone. I do this off of my grams. I know he pray that I pop. I know he pray I don't stop. So I'm gonna make it the top. Financial Margielas, I'm jealous. All these niggas really overzealous. Get the money and I split it with the fellas. I'm a goat, no Billy, no Ellish. All about your pace if I said it, so I had to slow it down so they get it. I know they gon' hate that I said it, but the pana can race cause I'm finished. Financial Margielas, I'm jealous. All these niggas really overzealous. Get the money and I split it with the fellas. I'm a goat, no Billy, no Ellish. All about your pace if I said it, so I had to slow it down so they get it. I know they gon' hate that I said it, but the pana can race cause I'm finished.
Think about this. ZimHiphop Cypher.
Yeah.
Dynamos.
Exactly.
Suhn. Pro Beats.
Yes.
Asaph.
Yeah.
Holy Tin. Cypher.
Cypher. Cypher. I think they should do that. They should do that, yeah. I'm from Bhutan.
Nah, hip-hop needs ciphers, guys.
I think
hip-hop needs ciphers.
Yeah, ZimHiphop for you. Simba. Hey, ningere hard.
Obi.
Yeah. I want this.
Guys.
But I'm from Bhutan,
Come on.
We should tell them, please. I want to go through 2021.
I'm gonna wait a kana
based
4-4 kana 4-4-4 anoshika 2 anopfuura 2
anoshika
I'm going 4-4-4 all the same beat just uniting the ZimHiphop community
freestyle, you know.
That'd be crazy. But this song is crazy.
It's crazy.
Magielas. But spelling
yakanyanya.
That's crazy. I like the beat. I like the
flow. You know.
There's a part where the beat switched up.
Yeah.
For 1 minute something, there's a part where the beat switched up and then he switched up his flow.
His flow, yeah.
And then his hook is like, yeah.
Man, this is too much. Yeah, it's hard.
I feel like this needs a feature, bro.
Like who?
This needs a feature. I mean, if I know what feature, man.
Like Holy.
It doesn't always need to go to Holy.
Yeah.
I think someone else can. I don't know, and
yeah, but someone else.
But it needs a feature.
Yeah.
Because it's crazy.
It's crazy.
I like the beat. Shout out to Suhn, bro. Shout out to making waves, getting onto Nash TV. Let's make waves, boy. That's crazy.
That's crazy. That's crazy. I think that's it. That's it for the video. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. You already know. Comment down below. Don't sleep on Zima. Don't sleep on Zima on Tuesday. So yeah, that's it for the video. It's your boy KC and
okay, Zano. Yes, sir.